Hey guys, Jen Ferguson here with Artistic Painting Studio, and today I have a really cool tool to introduce you to. This one is called the Corduroy tool, and it makes some really cool textures. So let's get started. Hey guys, I am so excited to introduce you to this tool. It's called the Corduroy tool, and it basically is almost like AstroTurf on a holder, okay? Which my handle broke, but hey, it still works perfect. And I'll show you guys how to use this. So it will work with just about probably any texture, but I'm going to be playing with our texture medium, which is our brand, and this stuff is wonderful. So I am going to trowel on, and I'm using one of our Japanese trowels if you haven't been introduced to those yet, okay? I'm going to put some texture medium on the side of my trowel and then just trowel on a thin layer, okay? You don't have to be too thick. Somewhere between probably 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch is about all you need. If you're looking for something more dramatic, then definitely you can go a little bit thicker, but I'm always amazed at how little amount of product it really takes to be able to see this cool tool and the texture that it creates, okay? Now, I use that yellow, okay, as my background because I wanted you guys to be able to see what all I'm doing, okay? So when you're using this tool, you're going to drag it through, okay? And you can drag it through once or you can drag it through multiple times, and it is just going to create this broken striated finish, okay? So it's going to have a lot of movement and a lot of interest. It creates some areas that could be higher. Now, if you're not happy with an area, realize that this product stays wet long enough that you can continue to play and go back and forth until you're happy with it. So we're left with what I call a broken striated finish because it's going to have highs and lows, thicker areas, and our lines are not going to be perfect, okay? Now, the other thing that you can do, if you don't want to leave all the highs, is you can take your trowel and lightly come over the top with just like the softest motion ever, okay, and pull those down, and it'll give you a slightly different look. So that's it, guys. It is just a wonderful tool to work with, giving us the opportunity to make different textures and create beautiful finishes. Thank you guys for joining me. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope that you will grab our Corduroy tool and go have some creative fun. For a full list of all the materials and supplies will be in the description below, and make sure hit that subscribe button, you guys, so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.